I've spent my life teaching people about money, from classrooms to seminars, and even through my books. The goal has always been the same: to empower individuals with the knowledge they need to achieve financial independence. The core message of the Rich Dad philosophy is simple financial freedom. It's not just about having money, but about having the freedom to live life on your own terms. It's about taking control of your money, not letting it control you. This means understanding how money works and making it work for you rather than being a slave to it. Most people are stuck in the rat race, working for someone else's dream. They spend their lives working hard but never seem to get ahead. They trade the time for money, a losing proposition in the long run. Time is the most valuable asset we have, and once it's gone, we can never get it back. True wealth is built by acquiring assets, things that put money in your pocket. These assets generate income, allowing you to build wealth over time. These assets work for you even while you sleep. This is the essence of passive income, where your money makes more money without constant effort on your part. Real estate, businesses, and commodities like gold and silver have always been cornerstones of this philosophy. They provide stability and growth, essential for long-term financial success. But the world is changing, and so is the game of money. New opportunities are emerging, from cryptocurrencies to innovative financial technologies, offering new ways to build and protect wealth. Gold has always held a certain mystique. It's a tangible representation of wealth, a safe haven in times of turmoil. For centuries, gold has been a hedge against inflation, a store of value that transcends the ups and downs of currencies. I've always believed in gold. It's a physical asset, something you can hold in your hand. It can't be printed by governments or devalued by central banks. When paper money fails, gold endures. In recent years, a new asset has emerged, one that shares many of gold's characteristics, but exists in the digital realm: Bitcoin. This revolutionary digital currency has captured the imagination of investors and technologists alike, promising a new way to think about money and value. Like gold, Bitcoin is scarce. Its supply is limited by a fixed algorithm. This scarcity is built into its very design, ensuring that only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. It's also decentralized, operating outside the control of governments and central banks. This decentralization is achieved through a network of nodes spread across the globe, making it resistant to censorship and control. At first, I was skeptical. The concept of a digital currency seemed too abstract and risky. But the more I learned about Bitcoin, the more I saw its potential. I delved into its underlying technology, known as blockchain, and discovered how it ensures transparency and security. Here was a digital asset, easily transferable, with the potential to disrupt the traditional financial system. Transactions could be made quickly and securely, without the need for intermediaries like banks. I began to see Bitcoin as digital gold, a store of value for the digital age, Just as gold has been a reliable store of value for centuries, Bitcoin offers a modern alternative, combining the best of both worlds, the timeless appeal of gold and the innovative potential of digital technology. Gold and Bitcoin, while sharing some similarities, are distinct assets. Each has its own unique characteristics and benefits that appeal to different types of investors. Gold has a proven track record, a history that spans millennia. It has been used as a store of value, a medium of exchange, and a symbol of wealth and power throughout human civilization. It's tangible, a physical asset you can hold. This tangibility provides a sense of security and stability, especially in times of economic uncertainty. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is a relative newcomer. Its history measured in years, not centuries. Despite its short existence, it has made a significant impact on the financial world. But Bitcoin has its advantages. It operates on a decentralized network, free from government control, and offers a level of privacy and security that traditional currencies cannot match. It's easily divisible and transferable. You can send small or large amounts of Bitcoin with ease, making it a flexible option for transactions. You can send Bitcoin anywhere in the world with a few clicks. This global accessibility makes it an attractive option for international transactions and remittances. Gold, while portable, is more challenging to transport and store, especially in large quantities. It requires secure storage solutions, which can be costly and cumbersome. Both have their place in a diversified portfolio. By combining the stability of gold with the innovative potential of Bitcoin, investors can balance risk and reward, creating a robust investment strategy. Section 5. Weathering the storm, preparing for economic uncertainty. The world is facing unprecedented economic challenges. Governments are printing money at alarming rates, creating massive debt. Inflation is eroding the purchasing power of fiat currencies. We are living through the biggest bubble in world history. These are not normal times. Traditional investments like stocks and bonds are vulnerable in this environment. Hard assets, things that have intrinsic value, will be the winners. Gold, silver, and yes, Bitcoin will be the safe havens in the coming storm. Section 6. The power of scarcity. What makes gold and Bitcoin so valuable? One word: scarcity. You can't just print more gold or create more Bitcoin out of thin air. The supply is limited. This scarcity drives their value. When governments debase their currencies by printing more, it takes more of those currencies to buy the same amount of gold or Bitcoin. This is the fundamental principle behind their ability to preserve wealth. Section 7. Bitcoin, a new era of finance. Bitcoin is more than just an investment. It's a revolutionary technology. It has the potential to change the way we think about money and finance. Its decentralized nature challenges the control that central banks and governments have over our financial lives. This is a paradigm shift. We are moving from a centralized financial system to a decentralized one. Bitcoin is at the forefront of this revolution, and its impact will be felt for generations to come. Section 8. The Balancing Act. Diversification is key. While I'm bullish on gold, silver, and Bitcoin, I'm also a firm believer in diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in assets you understand. Real estate, businesses, and commodities all have a place in a well-balanced portfolio. The key is to have a strategy, a plan for building and protecting your wealth. Section 9. Taking control of your financial destiny. The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear. Those who take control of their financial education will be the ones who prosper. Don't rely on a broken system or outdated advice. Educate yourself. Learn about different asset classes. Understand the power of hard assets. Embrace the potential of new technologies like Bitcoin. The future of finance is here, and it belongs to those who are prepared.